Oh yeah, snapping turtles. Thank you for watching my video. We cooking the best pizzas with salami, delicious salami, cheeses, see Haverty cheese, American cheese, boar's head, olives, banana peppers, see pizza. This is freschetta, and we cook very good, very good. We have many pizza videos. Thank you for watching. I'm gonna show you, we're gonna make another pizza today. See this? And we're gonna show you. This is brick oven pizza because we like crispy pizzas. Crispy and delicious. See, so first, what you wanna do, see this cheese, this Haverty cheese is not too thick sliced. Somebody sold crazy, see? Not too thick. So we're gonna put fast on this pizza because we value your time and value this delicious pizza. So please watch, keep watching. We appreciate it. See, even my cat, see, he hungry, look. Oh, he likes it. He can't wait to eat this pizza, see? See, look, I give you peace for watching, for supporting our channel. Thank you for watching. See, we put cheese to make it more cheesy, like this. This is Haverty cheese. Now we're gonna grab American cheese, see? Very cool, like that. One more piece. We like cheesy, crispy pizzas. What about you? Let me know in the comments what kind of pizza you like I make next time. But you gotta let me know. See? Like this, cheesy. Very nice. We're gonna put one more thin slice, see? Boom. See? Like this. Not too much cheese. Only for you, YouTube, I do this. See? Very nice. So this is salami. See, this is same salami. Authentic beef dry salami, еврейская. You can buy this Buford Highway Farmers Market, Doraville, Georgia, USA. Oh yeah. See, I'm gonna cut the same salami. This is very delicious salami. I gave you secret. Very delicious. Oh, I'm trying to cut thin, you know, because this salami, you have to cut thin. Because it's so flavorful. So flavorful. Look, test it out. Oh. See? He's a slow eater. It's okay. So I'm gonna cut. See, we'll keep cutting. Oh. And thin. This salami, if you buy at Buford Highway Farmers Market in Doraville, right before 285, is you supposed to cut thin because it's so delicious. It's not like regular salami. This is magic. Oh yeah. Thank you for watching. Okay, see? So now we're gonna grab this up, see? And put it on. Very cool. Like this. Oh wow. See, looking very nice now. See? Much better looking pizza. Oh, so nice. See? Very nice. Only for YouTubers. See? Wow. So now, guess what's next? Oh, next, banana peppers. You know, all I have left. Let's see. Oh, few banana peppers. They're wet. See? Oh, oven ready. That means I need to hurry up. See? So banana peppers. And we're gonna put a little bit on this pizza, see? It makes makes the pizza more juicy. More juicy. Julie, come here, Julie. Pizza's gonna be so juicy. Next, we're gonna put olives and feed my dog, see? Oh, see, she likes it. See? Good stuff. See, I told this pizza gonna be delicious. Oh, wow. So olives next. Also drain them. This is empty. See? Oh, actually, few banana peppers. We're gonna grab them out, and then you don't want too much liquid, on the pizza. So I squeeze it out. Okay, like that. Very nice, very nice. It looks very beautiful. See, remember, oven ready. Plenty cheese, see, plenty cheese, plenty salami, banana peppers, and olives. This is freschetta, improved and upgraded, brick oven crust. And now the main thing, picking up this heavy loaded pizza and putting it in the oven. Oh wow. See, even need help, see? Oh wow. So cool, so fresh. See, I'm gonna grab it up again. This is very important part. Make sure, it goes in and you don't drop it. Very important. Oh, we're doing it. See? Oh, so cool. See, I show you. Wow, so cool looking. Wow. So delicious looking. See, and now I always love small temperature, but not too small. See, 377, and it's not gonna burn it. It's not gonna burn your pizza, and the pizza's gonna be very crispy. About 20 minutes, you can do 22, 23, 24, because low temperature. You could even do more. Just about midway, you might want to flip it, not flip it, but turn it another way. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you. Many pizza videos and other videos. Thank you very much, and peace. God bless. Bye-bye.